is Marco Lundi Bartolome. Today, I'm going to be doing the part 1 of our OS. Uh, this video will be segmented and will be cut, but it will be compiled into one long video. So let's start. Let's first add by clicking New. Then let's put the file name, final server. We go. And we're going to select server that was here, right here. What is the let's change our password to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And for the host name, let's just do that. Next, let's set our hardware. Let's just click next. Let's go to so we can limit our size since we'll be installing other parts later. Okay, let's wait for it to install properly. There we go. It's running. Let's wait for it to finish installing, then I'm going to show you the process later. So we have finished installing, but first we are going to we're not going to set up this first. We're going to close it, and we're going to go here. And we are going to find this one, and it's loading the data. Let's wait for it to load properly. It's loading. Go to the rows and click add rows. First role you're going to need is to the active directory. Active directory domain services for here. You want to click on that, add that, and click on next, and install. Let's wait for it to install. There we go. Now it's installed. I'm going to close this one. As you can see, it's on X because I haven't installed it. So we are going to click that. Next, and create new domain info. So our new domain is TUP-Taguig. There we go. And we're going to click on next. Let's wait for it. You want to click here the Windows server first. Submit. Next. Click on the DNS server. It's already, and for now we're going to use the yes option here. Let's click on that. Let's just click here. This is the default folder. We're not going to change anything about that. And for the password, we're just going to use the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It needs to have one capitalized letter, one lowercase letter, numbers, and simple. And next, and let's prefer to install. I'm going to pause the video for a moment. So it has completely installed. So let's click on finish and let's restart. And that is it for the domain service. This is part one. I'm going to show you the next video in a couple of seconds. For our part two, we're going to be adding this part, adding domain users. So this and this, we're going to create one folder named programming courses, and under that we're going to create four folders, and under that are this organizational unit. So, and later we're going to do the administrative office. First, let's do this. So we're going to right click here and organizational unit. Let's write programs. And under programs, we're going to create the new organizational unit. So, yes. This engineering program, let's check on the others. Degree program. Yes. And bet and VTV10. So that's how you're going to make this ones. So let's and VT10. Let's folder. It's wait volume, yes it is. There we go. And under this we are going to create new organizational unit, which is each one of these. So I'm going to do that off camera. I will show you the progress later. So we've successfully added all the courses right here, as you can see. There we go. And now we're off to the admins part. So we're going to right click here, add new org unit, and let's go admin. There we go, admin department. And under that we're going to create all of this. I'm going to record it off cam because I don't want the video to be long. So there we go. We successfully added all of our requirements, which is program courses and the admin's office. So let's now create some domain users. So let's start with let's try here. So new users. Here you can see here. Let's find some names to add to go to start with um, and we're going to just going to use the last X. And these are the things that we're going to use later on. First, let's put in a password. So I'm going to make a box here, which is going to be their password. There we go. That and so all you should change password. So next, there we go. We have now one. I'm going to do this for the rest of the users. So I'm going to pause the video and do it off. So here you have it. Each has a user. Each one has a user now. So I'm going to pause the video for a moment to see the next instruction. So our next part is we're going to be adding computer. So this one can only log on to the workstation. There we go. So what we're going to do is right click here, a new computer. Let's find the name of the bed. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click here. And we're going to properties, properties. Wait, let me pause the video. So for here, we're going to click on the account. Let's find this one. Going to have to find the computer restrictions. Select properties account, then log on to following computers. This is cap sensitive. There we go. Click on OK. And right. So we're going to do that for each of this part, but for now we're going to skip. So the next part is all users should change their password every 2 days. So to do that, we're going to go here, rules, hack rules again. X and group policy. You want to find the group policy. Oh, I think it's already so we're going to not use this one for a moment. Go to the administrative claims, group policy, management, click on through. Open this up, click on the links, and you want to click on that. Want to click on here and here for all users. Click here, with the policy. Okay, it's called. So here we have this one. So we're going to click on that. Slowly go. Let's move this one. Let's back. Let's edit. Go to series. Yes. So here, what we're going to do is computer, go policies, Windows, so perspective, this time it's 8 users. 8 users. There we go, after troubleshooting for a bit. So what you need to do to set the age for the password is here, properties, this, and this, apply, okay, and there we go. So let's do that for the admin as well. Click on X, it's not there, no, it's not defined. Let's click on the admin department, create, uh, there. So what we want to do is to edit, go to policies, Windows security, and we'll find the account page. Let's find it. So let's click on apply. There we go. And now it's right for both um, admin, admin and student. So now we have this one. Uh, Academic users can log in from 7:30 to 5:15, while staff can log in from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So what we want to do is right click here, find other hours. So what we want to do is from 7:30 from 7:30 is 7 p.m. to there. So it's not from uh, exactly that. And let's click on control. So we're going to do that for each one of these accounts as well as the admin. So for admin, it's admin computer, admin computer. Steps right there is first. And properties account log on to our computers. Then OK, and the login hours is from 7 to 7 p.m. So, click that. Now we successfully have done this part. So we will be moving on next to the DHCP. So thank you for watching. So what's up, guys? We're going to now start our third part. So what we're going to do first is we're going to scan run there we go. And what we want to do is go to the configure network setting or right click here. First, yes, this is correct. So the properties, and I want to go to the internet version protocol part. Let's double check if it's correct. If it's correct, let's go to the version port. Let's go to properties. It's the following properties, which is the right side of my screen. Click on submit as the later click here. That's correct. See? Oh, yes, it's correct. So sign in. I got a warning. Let me double check it. So as I confirm, contact. You can just click OK, close. There we go. Now it's set. And you want to add another folder, which is the active. That this one. So here. I'm going to pause the video for a moment to confirm my settings. So what we're going to do is start this on here. We're going to get this here. Before we do that, just click on valid. Just click on next here. So let's use the correct credentials and install. So we're just going to, since it's now finished installing, let's click on close. So let's click on what is proposed. Anyways, so what is the requirement for here? Let's go to the DSCC setting. DHCP. Let's do. So I'm going to pause it for a moment. So we're going to create a new scope. Sorry for the long pause. So right here, new scope. Next, we're going to name the outputs. I see the outputs. Right? So let's go here. One, three, four, 16. If that's correct. And for the start ID, we're going to I'm going to be boxing to make sure I have it correct. So I have proper we're going to do is zero add, and we're going to click next. It says here 8 hours. We're going to click 8 hours and auto configure. So the default one is, let's see. This. So let's go to CMD. Let's try to ping this. As you can see, it's now pinging. You can click add here. Next, I'm going to pause the video. So we're going to also add the OpenDNS and OpenDNS and DNS Google Server. So add to Let's add the open view. Okay. Yes, let's click on add. Next, um, let's. I'm going to turn this up. So over here, I just want to click next, next. So there we go. We have our HTTP server setup. I'm going to pause for a bit and see you on the next part. Guys, today we're going to be adding, this is going to be the part of our OS finals, which is going to be this one up to this. So let's do it. So first we're going to go to the Active Directory. Let's on that. Let's go to Active Directory. Users and computers. This one. And we're going to add our other organizational units from here. So I'm going to pause the video for a moment. So our goal here is to add a new organizational unit based on this one. I just changed the resolution so it's more beautiful here. So that is what we're going to do. I'm going to right click here and new, and we're going to find organizational units. Folder. As you can see, the remote desktop is not working on my PC right now, so I'm going to do a presentation style instead. So to install, you need to install the two operating systems, one XP and one Windows. So this is the process. Attach the ISO file to the virtual as well for both the Windows XP and Windows 7. But, after doing that, you want to go to the network and choose attach to. You want to attach the adapter to some want to attach the network to internal network. Do the same for the three for the server, the Windows 7 and the Windows XP. So after configuring, this is what will look like. You need to go to the control panel, go here and enter the IP address. And after entering it, it will prompt the it will prompt your username, um, the password and domain, and after that, your desktop will now be successfully connected to the server. So I'm going to move on to 6 and 7. Next, we're just going to click next and install. So it's successfully installed. Let's open it up. Tools. The web server. There we go. Let's go on this one, and this is the default menu. I'm going to create an HTML in a minute. Then I'm going to continue this. This is what we're going to do. We're going to right click. Let's find site. Add website. Let's name it. We'll call this init Bob, and under we'll make a new folder. Let's name it go here. There we go. We'll pause the picture. So what we're going to do is just name it click here. There we go. We have a website. Then go to IP caching, add, paste it, then allow user caching, and okay. Now we're going to make an HTML to put it in. I'm going to pause the picture for a moment. So what we're going to do now is go to computer, find this, find the input, and copy this ISS part to this HTML, and we can copy this one. So it opens a website. You can edit this site using tab, open with, there we go. So this is the body. So I'm going to pause the picture for a moment to create an HTML file. So as you can see, when I click this, it redirects me. However, I'm not connected to an internet right now, so it doesn't show. However, it redirects me to tup.com. So that's what we're going to. So that is my simple website. Of course, this is what it will look like. You can customize this page. You can customize this as your web page. So that is all for web server. Thank you for watching, and let's move on to group policies. For admin, we're going to do the same. Create a new domain. So let's edit wallpaper. Let's go to policies, Windows policy. So I'm going to pause the picture for a moment. So going to the administrative template, we're going to find the desktop. Desktop. This one, this, this, use configuration. No, we need to go to use configuration. Select template, desktop, and find desktop wallpaper. Desktop and desktop wallpaper. There we go. We need to enable this and apply. Here you need to at least put a wallpaper. So, for example, let's make one using this one here. There we go. So let's make one. Let's see. Type. There we go. So let's enable it. I'm going to find the file path of the picture. Let's go like that. What is the properties? Let's copy this one and paste it here and apply. There we go. We have one done. Now let's move on to the other policy. Pause the video for a moment. So we're going to do the same on the other side. So we could go back and we could fix this one. So we could go this one again. This is now enforce. So this is now enabled. So let's go to the problem courses and add a new GPIO. So let's go wallpaper one. Let's edit this one. User administrative template. Administrative template. Desktop. Desktop. And wallpaper. There we go. Let's import this and import the wallpaper. Right. Now we have successfully applied wallpaper for the admins and the students. So let's move on. So let's go back. I'm going to pause the video for a moment. So the next step is to disable the read and write. Let me open up my notepad to see if yes, there we go. Restrict or disable the following. This one. So all you want to do is go to the users, for example here, let's create a new security group. Security group. Security group. Let's there we go. So let's create a new group. security group. And let's name it users. Users. So we go to properties and members. Let's add two members. Yes. And names, there we go. And apply. So this one are the only ones that can access. So go to the folders, find the shared folders. What did I mean? So for example, this is a shared folder. Then you go to the properties and go to securities and so deny, and what you want to do is add the security group, which is user one. Wait, I think I did something wrong, but let me go check my if they yes, it's in. But anyways, what you want to do is do this and click on deny. But I'm not gonna do that because this is so let's click here and let's deny live and okay. So now let's move on to the GPU, GPI. Go to this one and let's add another GPI over here. Let's name it. Now let's click on edit. And I'm gonna pause the video to find each part. So let's do this. Go to user configuration, policies, and then set a template. Find it in systems. Go. First, let's find policies. So let's find system. This one. So go to system, click on this and find prevent access, and let's and edit this to be enabled, accepting, enable, and apply OK. So these two are now enabled. So let's now go to control to find the control panel. Policy, not this one, this control panel. The thing that the S is edit access. So let's edit this to be able line. So we have now done this script access. I'm gonna pause video. So let's go back to the so start menu. Let's remove run. Run, then edit, able, fly. Next one is remove task manager. So go here, edit, able, apply. There we go. So let's go to policies. Let's put it down. Windows component. Windows component. And let's find Windows installer. So click on here and we can starting programs. So we can edit this one here, apply, and the last thing we're going to do is let's put that. Go to GPI, Windows Explorer. There we go. And hide specific drives. Hide the specified drives. Edit. So there you go. That is your Windows X Windows Final Server with the main controller fully set up and finished. Thank you for watching and goodbye.